Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to hook up either a DVD player or a VHS player to a Roku TV. So this is a 2-in-1 player that I have, but it's going to be a similar process no matter if you have a VHS or a DVD player. So what we want to do, other than just plugging in our power cord, we need to check what video outputs we have here on the back. So a lot of you are probably just going to be using composite, and most Roku TVs are going to come with the option to plug into composite. So the yellow is video out, and then the red and the white are audio out. So we have those hooked up here on our VHS/DVD player. And then checking on the Roku TV, if we go to the back, and under here we can see those inputs, the yellow, white, and red. So I'm going to plug those in to the back of my Roku TV so that we can get on to the next step. All right, so now on the back of my TV, I hooked up the yellow, white, and red connectors to their respective colors. And I have the power cord plugged in, so I now have power going to the unit. So now on the home page of my Roku TV, I have the AV input option. This is what my VHS/DVD player is hooked into. If you don't have this tile on your home screen, we can add this by going back to the side menu here and then going down to settings. Then going over and down to find where it says TV inputs. In our TV inputs area, you just want to find the AV option and make sure that that is added, so it's going to show up on the home tab here in our Roku TV. So now that we've added that AV option, we're going to click OK with our Roku remote on the AV option. So I had put in a DVD from The Last Dance, and it took just a little bit of time for it to load up, but it is now working and ready to go. So as long as you have it plugged in correctly and you're on the right video input source on your Roku TV, everything should be up and running correctly, whether you're using VHS or a DVD player. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.